Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make green guacamole salsa. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need 3 to 4 ripe avocados, about 8 ounces of tomatillos, and a generous bunch of fresh cilantro. Don't forget 1/4 cup of fresh lime juice and a small jalapeno for a touch of heat. These foundational items are key to a vibrant and flavorful salsa. Begin by roasting your tomatillos and jalapeno until they are soft and slightly charred. This step adds a wonderful smoky depth. Once cooled, scoop the creamy flesh from your ripe avocados. Now, combine the roasted vegetables, avocado, cilantro, and lime juice in your blender or food processor. Get ready for the magic to happen. Now, blend your ingredients until the salsa reaches your preferred consistency. Some like it chunky, others super smooth. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper. For an extra layer of flavor, a small pinch of ground cumin can really elevate the profile. Keep blending until it's just right for you. Your delicious green guacamole salsa is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately with your favorite tortilla chips, or use it as a vibrant topping for tacos, eggs, or grilled meats. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days to maintain freshness. And hey, if you're looking for a great way to relax while enjoying your snack, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.